Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account with trusted family or friends without giving away your password, follow these step-by-step instructions to maintain security while sharing access. Step 1. Open Netflix in a web browser and sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account to access account management settings. Step 2. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section, where you can see all existing profiles on your account and create new ones. Step 3. Click Add Profile to create a separate profile for the person you want to share Netflix with. Give it a personalized name and select an avatar icon. Step 4. To add security, click on the newly created profile and select Change under Profile Lock. Set a 4-digit PIN code that only the profile user will know. Step 5. Be aware of Netflix's current sharing policies. If you're sharing with someone outside your household, you may need to purchase an additional member slot through your account settings. Step 6. If required, navigate to Add an extra member in your account settings and follow the prompts to purchase additional member access for users outside your primary household location. Step 7. The person you're sharing with can now log into Netflix using your email address as the account name, then select their specific profile and enter their profile, PIN, if you set one. Step 8. Remember that Netflix limits the number of simultaneous streams based on your subscription plan. Basic allows 1 stream, Standard allows 2, and Premium allows 4 concurrent streams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.